Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clip and immediately duplicating the layer. This gives you two identical tracks to work with. Once done, align the duplicated clip perfectly so frames match exactly, because any shift ruins the effect. Make sure to switch the top layer to overlay mode and locate the mask and blend controls. I explain why. The top track will carry inverted color data, while the bottom provides the original luminance, so correct alignment and layer order are essential. You now convert the top track into an inverted color version. If Capcut offers a direct invert filter, apply it. If not, use curves or color remix to reverse R, G, B channels, pull highlights to shadows and vice versa. Once inverted, change the blend mode to difference or exclusion if available. Otherwise, keep normal but lower opacity to test. Also, when you want selective inverted text, add a mask on the top layer and feather it slightly so transitions look natural and avoid harsh edges. You finish by refining the composite and exporting. Preview the full timeline, tweak opacity, blend mode, and curves to balance contrast and legibility, because inverted text can lose clarity. Boost contrast where needed. Once satisfied, export using the source resolution or 1080p at the source frame rate. If something breaks, colors glitch, or mask misaligns, reset the top layer, reapply the invert operation, and confirm perfect frame alignment. That single misaligned pixel usually causes the visible failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.